Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome to this video. My name is David Isamoje. Are you on my channel? Did you click on this video to learn how to create art? To learn how to create designs that you can use to make money on sites like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, Match by Amazon? Then you're in the right place. I create designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for phone cases. That's what my channel is about. My channel generally is about creating designs for print on demand site. Do you want to make passive income? Do you want to make money online while you sleep? Then you want to subscribe to my channel because I make videos concerning designs that you can upload on print on demand site and make you sell. So without me wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go straight right into this. I'm not going to take your time. I'm not going to talk for too long. I'm just going to go straight right into it. For my designs, I'm going to be using canva.com. It's easier, it's easy to learn. You can it's easily accessible and all. So that's what I'm going to be using. So click on Canva. I'm going to be opening canva.com. Please, I just want you to follow me to the end. Make sure you follow me to the very end. I go through a lot. This is kind of a Canva tutorial for beginner too. So if you're just using Canva for the first time, then make sure you follow my every step so that you don't miss any bit of it. This is going to be a super easy tutorial for you guys, so make sure you don't miss it. So let's click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Write that down. You don't want to miss that. That's the standard. So now that was going to open on a new tab. It's going to open on a new tab, and then we can move on to other aspect of the design. Now we have it open. So the first thing I want to do is to click on elements and click on shapes. This is the shape I want to use. So I'm just going to make it smaller, like so. So that's going to be the first one. I'm just going to move it up like that a bit. So now I'm going to duplicate this shape. To do that, I'm just going to press on my Alt key button and my left mouse click button on my keyboard, and I'll drag that downwards to duplicate that, and I'll drag downwards again just to duplicate that, pressing down my Alt key button and my left mouse click button, dragging down on my mouse. So now that we have these three all set up, the next step is to bring in our text. This one is going to be an super easy text design. Super easy text design. It's not going to be complicated. So I'm just going to click on the text. Just going to click on the text. Whoa. It's been a week. Yes, because I took a week break, so I made all my videos in bulk at the beginning, and it's been a week out, and coming back and seeing this is super interesting. Super interesting. There are some super cool fonts now. Oh, this is interesting. That's the good thing about Canva. They always amaze you. They always bring something to the table, and I love them for that. So now let's just go on with this one. So this one is just going to say ask me about Jesus. So let's use this font. So we're going to use this font. I'm just going to make it bigger. I'm going to show you how to do that. As you can see, we've not just 3 minutes. We'll be done with this in no time. So we'll make this bigger, a bit bigger. So to do that, we'll over our mouse to this edge and press down left mouse click button and just drag outwards. So now we have this one. So we have this. We have this. So now I'm just gonna get rid of this box. No, I'll make use of this box. So I'm just gonna make use of the box. I'll reduce this. So I'll do Ctrl A to highlight that. So this one is just gonna say just X. So now you can see it's overlapping. I don't want it to overlap. I want it to be in a straight line. So I'm just gonna increase it like that. So you say just X. So now that we have that just X on the first box, we have it in the first box. We're just going to duplicate it. Remember the way I told you to duplicate? Press down your Alt key button, your left mouse click button. You duplicate that and you double tap again, Ctrl A to highlight those one. So the first line said just X. This one I'm saying me about. So now we have that. So it says just ask me about. So we'll duplicate that again like so, and now we just double tap JESUS. So you don't just make design because you want to please only yourself. You have to make design based on traffic, based on demand, and this is one you want to keep in mind. This one is a simple design, as you can see. So you're just going to change the color of this box by clicking on the box. I'll just over my mouse to this edge. You can make it white, but I'll prefer to make it gray, or a darker gray. Okay, make it a darker gray. Okay, like so. Make it a darker gray too. Make it a darker gray. Sorry about that. Okay. So we just want to make this a darker gray. Remember, if you just have problem with your font, all you need to do is to click off and click back on. So now we have that. I'll just increase this a bit. So I'll move our mouse to this edge, press down left mouse button and just drag outwards. So we'll have it like that. I'll make it bigger again, like so. So you see we have it just like that, well fixed and ready for us to use. So now that we have it, we just click on download to get this downloaded. Just click on that to get it downloaded. Obviously you can change this top layer color. If you click on the A, you can change that top layer color. As you can see, you can actually change it to whatever you want, whatever you feel like, whatever suits you best. As you can see, you can change that top layer color. As you can see, so whatever suits you best, but we'll just leave this at black. So now we'll just click on download. If you're serious about print on demand, I will advise you to always get Canva Pro. If you check the first link in the description, you get Canva Pro free from me for 30 days. Using the first link to sign up. If you use the first link in the description to sign up, you get Canva Pro from me for 30 days free. Make sure you check that out if you're serious about that. So let's hit download. Because with the free version, you can't remove the white background. Your downloads are going to come with your white background, and you don't want that in your design. Obviously you don't want that in your design, so I'll advise you to get that. So let's go check out our design. Let's see how it's looking. So this is it, just ask. So click on it. As you can see, it's quite easy, quite simple, not super complicated, super easy to do, and we have that all set up. So that is it. To your right you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, my upcoming videos. This is videos about creating art, creating designs for Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, marked by Amazon, generally about print on demand designs, how to create print on demand designs. That's what I'm all about, so that you can make passive income from print on demand. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and I, David Osamoje, will definitely see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.